back to my channel. I am Shrestha, your trusted property advisor from eHouser. And today I will help you understand about the projects from M3M, which are M3M Mansion, M3M Capital and M3M Crown. They're all based on Sector 113, 11 and 111 on Dwarka Expressway, Gurgaon. Let me tell you a bit about the builders to start with. Established in 2010, M3M has become a game changer in real estate luxury residentials. With its first delivery in 2019 on Golf Course Extension, the flagship project Golf Estate, which has the altitude, the latitude, and St. Andrews all in the same premises, spread over 56 acres of land. It is coming up with another additional 4 acres of land with 3 new towers. I've already covered this in my previous video. You might want to have a look at my channel. Please like, subscribe on my channel so that you get the best of the updates on time. So with over 3,000 acres of land parcel, land bank that the company owns, they have a lot of projects to come up with. They've already delivered 50 projects, which is a huge amount alone in Gurgaon. So with the new, they have a huge focus right now on making Smart City Delhi Airport, which is SCDA. That is the project that they are making. They are currently focused on, which is coming up with 2 ultra luxury residential and 1 kilometer long retail commercial. So today now I will be covering and helping you understand M3M Mansion, which is an ultra luxury segment, high-rise residential. The second is M3M Crown, which is also a luxury segment, high-rise residential in Sector 113 Dwarka Expressway, and on Sector 111 we are coming up. They are coming up with M3M Crown. M3M Mansion, spread over 10 acres of land on 113 Dwarka Expressway, which is close to Delhi as well as Gurgaon, is a project that you cannot miss. With an ultra luxury high-rise residential and low density as well, this project has got everything one dreams of. Starting from the club, which is spread over 1 lakh square feet area, with amenities, with 100 plus amenities, which is absolutely amazing. Grand entrance and lobby, central water fountain, option for family lounge, study space, puja room, independent room for house helps, imported marble, wood flooring, VRV AC, European branded kitchen, hob, chimney, OTG, large wraparound patios, ample visitor parking, Club Imperial, which is a 5-star lobby with cafe, outdoor swimming, temperature-controlled terrace pool, kids pool, banquet hall with indoor and outdoor facility, all-day dining restaurant, bakery, terrace cafe, golf puffing, squash, tennis, badminton, cricket, basketball, wall climbing, bowling alley, PlayStation, cigar lounge, karaoke, party room, mini theater, spa and salon, creche, business center, amphitheater, yoga and meditation, senior citizen lounge, 24 into 7 water, electricity and security. Now, one of the most important parts that I'm going to tell you now about is about the commercials. With regards to the commercials, the sizes which are available are 3.5 and 4.5 BHK, like I've already said, are available in sizes of approximately 2,500 square feet area to about 6,700 square feet area. They also provide some 2 BHK refugee apartments also, which is approximately 1,638 square feet area. And the prices are for city view. The prices are about 20,000, 20,000 rupees per square feet area, and for green view it is 23,500 is the ask price. So you would also see that they have about 7.5 acres of green areas dedicated to golf and walking pathways. And so the pricing is coming at approximately a little over 5.5 CR to penthouses costing around approximately 16 CR. So in order to get the best deals, you should contact eHouser at 911-700-1122 You can also drop us a quick query at hello@ehouser.com. You can also log on to www.ehouser.com to get the best of the deals and all the brochure and the rest of the details from us. Now, this was all about M3M Mansion. Now, I will tell you about M3M Crown, which is located on Sector 111 111 Dwarka Expressway. In the same premises, which is SCDA, Smart City, Delhi Airport. Because of the proximity to the airport and closeness to the Delhi border, that is why this project is called SCDA. Now, with regards to Crown, it is also one of the luxury projects that M3M is coming up with spread over 5.5 acres of land, and with 3.5 BHK, 4.5 BHK, and penthouses available in sizes of about 1,600 square feet area to about 2,700 square feet area, ranging from about 3.3 crores to 5.5 crores. And with a city view of 20,000 rupees per square feet area and a green view of 20,600 per square feet area. So this is a project that you can definitely invest in if you have a budget of around 5 to 6 CR. So this was all about M3M Mansion. Now is the time to tell you about M3M Capital. M3M Capital is again located on Sector 113 Dwarka Expressway in the same premises of Smart City Delhi Airport, closer to airport as well as closer to Delhi. This 30-acre project is again a high-rise, low-density project with a very, very reasonable pricing range of starting about 20,000 square feet area, with the sizes available from about 1,300 square feet area to approximately 2,300 square feet area. This is a very, very affordable living for a project available within 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and 4 BHK apartments, available at the price of about 2.5 crores to about 4.8 crores approximately. So for this price, this is one of the best projects. I can actually guarantee that this is going to be a very, very successful project if you have a a little tight budget. Having said that, we have completed, we have covered M3M Mansion, M3M Crown, and M3M Capital. The best part about this is that the M3M has come up with a very good payment plan, which is 25%, 25, 75. So for more details about this, please do connect with us. I would also like to tell you that span of 1.5 years time, when you get the opportunity to exit, you can resale it and you will be able to make an immense profit. So this is a very, very profitable venture to invest in. So I would not like you to miss out on any of these opportunities. Thank you very much. I am your trusted property advisor. Please connect with me whenever you feel comfortable. Thank you.